Now come to the point. We have physical body. This is called the physical body. And we have the astral body. What is the physical body? Astral body is manifesting the form of physical body. Animation of physical body is because of the power of astral body. Then we have astral body. Because of the astral body, I am able to talk to you. This power of talking, power of vision, power of smell, power of touch. I am standing and doing everything. It is because of the astral body power. Then we have this causal body. What is the causal body? This is the cause of the all creation. This causal body is manifesting the form of astral body manifesting the form of physical body. Every day when you are awake, you are aware of physical body because you feel pain and pleasure, comfort, discomfort, heat and cold. When you are dreaming, you are in astral body. And when you are in deep sleep, you are in causal body. If in awake stage, you have zero complaint maybe for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, you are in causal body. Suppose that now we have infinite love for all creations, we want to serve all creations, then at that moment you are having consciousness of causal body. But there is one more body which is called the superconscious body. What is superconscious body? It is just hidden, it is sleeping. Just like inside seed, whole tree is sleeping. When seed is getting love from the clay, from the heat, from the water, from the air, when this love is accumulating, when all are loving the seed starts sprouting its form. The seed becomes a sprout, then a small plant, then big tree. Then what is the responsibility of tree? To produce seed. Therefore, what is important point? This superconscious body, in order to experience it, we need 1 million years. 1 million years of the time. We need this much time. But this time should be diseaseless. Therefore, suppose that in one life we accumulated 5 years having no disease. And next year have 1 year no disease. Then we are keep on accumulating the time and again it will come. One day we will have 1 million years of diseaseless time. All right. But this is so long. Now you have great desire to experience our superconscious body in one lifetime. Then practice Kriya Yoga meditation. When you practice Kriya Yoga meditation, then it promises to donate you 100 years in one day if you dedicate 50 minutes with Kriya Yoga initiation. If you are practicing 50 minutes per day, you are accumulating 100 years. Then how many years it will take? If in one day 100 years, then try to divide 100, then 10,000 days. Let us divide by year to get how many years. For easy calculation, we put 300. Instead of 365, I have put the 300 years. Then divide by 300, so you will get approximately 33 years. Then around 33 years, 35 years, 30 years, you are going to get your superconscious body. Then why not to do that? If you are 8 years old, do not worry. In your position, try your level best, but have one important thing. If you are oneness with the truth, truth should be pleasant. What is the truth? Head to toe is what you are. Omnipresence spirit is manifesting in your form. Then try to concentrate on it, accept it, and you must feel the good changes. It means when you say they move arms up and down, you are having pain here, then don't move arms up to here. Try to do up to here. Be satisfied with that. One day you will be able to do it. Now when we say 30, 40 number, reduce the height, knee joint, then don't go up to that. Be up to here. Then I will not get, no, you will get in the same way. Try to concentrate on self through various activities. Try to perform activities which bring you joyful changes. And try to believe, moment to receive those changes as changes representing joy, pleasant, one day will be able to move your complete body. If you have 100% arthritis, it will disappear. Your rheumatoid arthritis, it will disappear. You have reading glasses, it will disappear. Hard of hearing will get new ear. And it has been proved by Lahari Mase, 66 years old when he left body. It was few months before 67, never used reading glasses. Ikteshwagiri never used reading glasses. Yogananda never used reading glasses. Then it is there after 40 we get reading glasses. Not only that, have no illness sickness. There are 3 examples are sufficient. In future we'll get more example. Now what is our aim, please? Just practice sincerely with all devotion according to instructions. Never practice in hyper condition. When practice hyper, you will damage. Oh, I'm going to get this is very good food, very healthy, I'm going to overeat. You will be sick. It is a very good healthy food. Eat within limit. What changes we feel? It is power, knowledge, peace. Let us feel more changes. Crack. Then you are gone. Therefore, practice with this principle. Never try to move body part which bring you the painful changes. Now let us practice. Always remember, short practice with the high intensity is much more important than sitting hours together and struggling for meditation.